This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 26 MBRR is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler RV features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.